Evening, folks. Tonight's video, brake bleeder wrenches. First up, we have a set of Capri 7 through 11. Very nice wrenches. Capri makes pretty nice stuff. We have two older snap-ons. They'd be the 1/4 to 3/8. On another wrench, we'd have the 5/16 and the 3/8. GM, Ford, and Chrysler would be what they'd be used most for. We have two more wrenches. One is a snap-on, 5/16 and a 3/8. The other one is a Taiwan wrench, 8 and a 10. And last but not least, we have another snap-on, a B1463A, a compact, 1/4 and 3/8. Thanks for watching.